Hi, I'm Kabir Ahmed and I'm proud to finally introduce you to Sentient. Sentient has been in closed beta for about a month now and we're finally ready for our public launch, which is sometime around next week. In the meantime, I want to show you a quick sneak peek of everything you will be able to do with Sentient on day one. Once you complete our onboarding, you'll be brought to the chat page. Chat works differently in Sentient. We wanted to build a human-like assistant experience, and so everything in Sentient happens within a single chat that has infinite context powered by our memory pipeline. More on that later. For now, let's put Sentient to work. Sentient can execute actions across a growing library of apps. As an example, let's take a summary of today's financial news and put it into a Notion page. Done. That was pretty cool, but what if I wanted this to run every day at a specific time or run a different workflow every time I got a new email? That's where tasks come into play. All you need to do is tell Sentient exactly what it is you want it to do. For example, let's convert the action we just performed into a recurring workflow that runs every morning at 8. And just like that, you've made your own curated news brief. That's not all Sentient can do. As an executive assistant and a member of your team, you can ask Sentient to handle a variety of tasks. You can let it respond to customer support emails, handle GitHub issues, track your projects with Trello boards, and much more. Sentient can even summon swarms or teams of agents to perform larger tasks like researching 20 different topics at once. You can track the progress of all of these within the task page. If you think text is boring, you can switch to a voice call and simply talk to Sentient. Now, remember how I mentioned memory earlier? Even if you don't remember, Sentient will, because Sentient is powered by our custom memory pipeline that allows it to learn memories about you, which it can use to personalize its interactions with you. I also told you that your chat with Sentient is infinite and powered by our memory pipeline. Sentient remembers everything you've discussed with it and can seamlessly search this entire knowledge base at any given time. Sentient can also perform tasks autonomously. Full proactiveness is an experimental feature for now, but when enabled, it allows Sentient to monitor your inbox for incoming emails. It then searches across a lot of relevant context stores and decides the best possible way to help you. We also have a few privacy features that allow you to prevent Sentient from reading certain emails or calendar events based on some criteria that you set. Sentient is still in its early stages and is constantly improved, and I invite you to be a part of this journey.